And I actually first encountered this logic nung nabasa ko yung, and you should read this book as well, yung Art and Fear ni David Biles and Ted Orland. May kwento sila doon, may isang professor na pinagawa niya ng quality versus quantity yung estudyante niya. So let's say meron siyang 50 students, hinati niya sa half. May 25 na gagawa lang ng quality. Ibig sabihin, isa lang yung gagawin nilang artwork. Let's say it's a pottery, maggagawa sila ng pot na sobrang ganda. And then versus isang group, yung other 25, nagagawa sila ng quantity based. Ibig sabihin, they don't have to have quality in mind or beauty in mind. They just have to make a lot of pots with their time. When natapos na yung time nila, like 1 month, 2 months, tapos nagpakitaan na ng work yung dalawang group, yung mas magagandang pots, hindi nanggaling sa quality side. Mas nanggaling yun sa quantity side. Ibig sabihin, yung mas maraming ginawa, mas maraming nakita yung professor na maganda dun. And yun yung lesson niya. You can't make one artwork, make it perfect in one go. Kailangan maraming beses kang magkamali, maraming beses kang itry mo yung isang bagay kaysa mag-create ka lang ng one thing, one masterpiece na oftentimes, yung sa tingin mong yung isa lang yun na nagagawa mo, na forever nang yun lang yun, eh yun yung pinakamaganda. No, you would understand if you're really an artist na ang dami mo kasing ginagawa, kaya na-find out mo kung ano yung totoong meaning ng maganda sa art mo. And sometimes hindi mo pa nga alam yun, but by doing a lot of it, a lot of artworks, a lot of paintings, dun mo na ma-master yung skills mo. Nagkakaroon ka ng muscle memory of how to paint, yung mga pagkakamali mo sa painting number 1, di mo na maulit sa 2, yung pagkakamali mo sa 2, di mo na maulit sa 3. That's how you master art, guys. That's how you really have to take time to be able to master your work. And if you say you don't have time for art, you will never be an artist talaga. If you don't take your time to master your work, to read about painting or poetry or anything that you're into, wala kayong time dyan, then wala rin time sa'yo ang art.